All right, we're up here at Severna Park. Nordy, how's this holiday lighting install going? Changing it all to candy cane?
Yes.
Was the roof multicolor last year?
It's white.
White. Then we had multi on the shrubs. And then we're going to do, this year we're going to do the garland on the fence. Remember the gate?
Yes.
Both sides. So that'll be a candy cane and minis. Everything here is candy cane. Candy cane, baby. Hey, I like this new truck you got, Nordy. We need to have Sammy with the Christmas hat on. We should make them magnets every year.
Yeah, we could use some stickers, throw on top of the rack.
Yeah, I guess the magnet wouldn't stick on aluminum, would it?
I don't think
Probably
so.
not. Probably not. Probably not. Probably not. But we could do.
Get the little wreaths on everyone's truck too, in the grill. I mean, Julio did it this year.
Yeah, usually Jeff and Rudy does.
I think Julio's the only one that did it.
Yeah.
Or at least puts the bell up.
Yeah.
I don't know why more people don't do garland over their garage doors like that.
Well, you know why? Because a lot of times people use the staple gun and they staple it all over the wood.
Yeah.
It makes a mess.
So if you leave a couple nails in throughout the year.
A couple places to pin it from the top, and then let it hang.
Yeah, just drop down and pull it tight.
Yeah, I agree. I definitely agree. I think we should run that dusk to dawn. Don't you think?
Wait.
Over chins, we should probably set that up dusk to dawn.
Yeah.
Let it run all night.
Has that been on yet or no?
You haven't turned that tree on yet, right?
Yes, it's on.
The tree's on? I didn't see it the other night when I came up the road. I might have not been.
Is something wrong in the GFI?
That's cool white,
Check
right?
the GFI's name.
Yeah, check it and see. Yeah, it's cool white.
The
Yep,
roof line is cool white, right?
everything's cool white. Well, that's candy cane, cool white, candy cane dough, right? And the big tree's cool white. That's correct. But remember the tree?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool white candy though. It's bright. It
Yeah,
pops.
that is what we brought over that one day.
Woo!
That footage got
woo,
that footage got all
woo,
messed
woo.
up that day.
The footage? Something wrong with your GoPro? GoPro camera?
I don't know. The footage was corrupted. I don't know.
Corrupted.
That's what Austin said.
We're gonna take off, go to another job site, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Alrighty, we're at a job in Davidsonville, Maryland today. We're installing a drainage system for a client. Let's take a look what we got going on. So we got some perf pipe going up here behind the driveway, sucking that moisture off. You're gonna exit it down here into the woods.
Pretty sure Roberta said put a pop up.
Pop up?
Yep.
Okay.
Then we're doing another little piece along the driveway going to the front yard.
Okay. Josh, how you doing, bud?
Doing good.
Doing good?
Tired, though.
Tired?
You just want to do the one box here for this
Like
one?
gum dirt.
Gum dirt.
It's like gum.
Gum. We got a little Italian in you this morning.
A little bit.
That's what it sounds like. He wants four return lines.
Way to the wheel on the wheelbarrow it is. I can go all the way there if you want to the side to the
How about out to the street?
other side.
under the
How about
street?
to the shop?
Only to the street.
How about back to the shop?
Maybe we already use the machine.
There's a
we
big
already
river
use.
back there. If you take the water
I
back
put
there,
in the
there's-
river.
How about into the bay? Take it to Chesapeake Bay. Have it pump all the Chesapeake Bay water out.
I don't think so.
It'd be a big pipe.
If they want it all the way here, then I would just cut it. Leave it
Oh yes,
45.
we already cut it 45 because if we can put a pop up over there,
It won't
it's
drain.
too deep.
Yeah.
It's too deep.
Just cut it 45. Let it come up and flow out onto the earth
That's
and then
what
into the
we
drain.
We already put the 45 over
Yeah.
there.
How far are you coming from?
The driveway, edge of the driveway.
All the way back?
Yeah.
All the way back. All the way to the right here.
Oh, okay.
Or we already go underneath there. Go all the way to the other side.
Probably. Probably take it into Annapolis from here.
We already use on the machine.
I better call Greg. We going to Popeyes for lunch?
No, today no.
No?
No.
Your wife said we're going to Popeyes for lunch. That'll work out well.
Yeah. That's the one we already did it down there close to the 178.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already did it. a lot of gravel we are using.
Yep. That's where I met Rudy in first grade. I met Rudy in first grade. We never got hired in that, did we? Remember? Remember? You were 16 years old in first grade. I was 17. We never got out of first grade.
One of the girls in the 4th grade.
Fourth?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We never got out of first grade. We remember? You were shaving. We were still in first grade at the table. Now I know why we have all these problems with work trucks.
Oh my God. We don't have enough problem in that.
Jersey, why do we need air conditioning now at 38 degrees? He complained to me last night. He texted me 9 o'clock. He said, my truck doesn't have air conditioning right now. I said, why do you need air conditioning right now? He said, summer's coming. I said, 6 months from now, maybe. 6 months to be what? End of May. Then we'll need air conditioning. Roll the windows down, go 55. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.